Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'll explain how to use Pocket Options AI-based auto live signals and share a strategy to trade with these signals effectively. Stick around until the end, as I'll explain everything in detail and take live trades using the AI signals. Watching the full video will help you understand the strategy better, so don't skip. Risk warning. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and you may lose money. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only, and is not financial advice. Results may vary, and profit is not guaranteed. Trade responsibly, and only use money you can afford to lose. Always do your research before making trading decisions. To get AI-based auto live signals, click the Signals option located below the Trade options on the right-hand corner of the Pocket Options trading platform. Once you click it, you will start receiving AI-based auto live buy and sell signals with different trade expiries for the selected currency pair. When you find a signal that fits your strategy, click the Copy Signal option. Your trade will then be placed automatically based on the expiry time set for that currency pair. Now, let me explain my strategy for using these AI-based auto live signals. Trend-based strategy. When the market is in a strong uptrend, take a buy trade. When the market is in a downtrend, take a sell trade. Support and resistance strategy. Take a buy trade when the price is at the support level. Take a sell trade when the price is at the resistance level. Today, we will test AI-based auto live signals in both real and OTC markets using these strategies. Session details. I'll use a 1-minute candle time frame for this session. Avoid trading during medium and high-impact news events. Avoid trading when the market is moving sideways. The current market trend shows a strong uptrend, so I've chosen an AI-based buy auto signal with a 7-minute expiry. Before we check the trade result, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more trading strategies and tips. Let's get started. Let's wait for the trade result. We have won this trade. This shows how effective the AI-based auto live signals can be when combined with the right strategy. Now, let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect signal before placing another trade. The market trend is currently in a strong uptrend, so I have chosen an AI-based buy auto signal with a 10-minute expiry as my strategy. Always analyze market conditions carefully before trading. Avoid trading during news events or when the market is ranging to minimize risk. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which trading strategy or topic you'd like me to cover next. Your suggestions help me create content that matches your interests. Now, let's wait and see how this trade ends, win or loss. Remember, patience is key in trading. Stay tuned as we wait for the result of this trade. We have won this trade. This shows how effective AI-based auto signals can be when followed correctly. Always stay patient and wait for the perfect signal before placing your next trade. Rushing into trades can lead to mistakes, so it's important to follow the strategies I've shared earlier. The price is near the resistance level, so based on our strategy, it's a good opportunity to take a sell trade. Luckily, we have a sell signal available with a 1-minute expiry. Let's go ahead, copy the signal, and execute the trade with a 1-minute expiry. Before using this strategy on a real account, make sure to practice it on a demo account first. This will help you build confidence and better understand the setup. Only switch to a real account once you feel fully prepared and comfortable with the strategy. Let's now wait and see how this trade plays out. We have won this trade. This result highlights the importance of following a clear strategy and being patient while trading. On this chart, the minor trend is downtrend, but the major trend is uptrend. I decided to follow the major trend and placed a buy trade thinking the market would move upward. However, I made a mistake by selecting the wrong trade expiry. For short time frames like 1-minute expiry, it's better to follow the minor trend. For longer time frames like 10-minute expiry, the major trend is more reliable. I should have chosen a 10-minute expiry for this buy trade instead of 1 minute. We lost this trade, but it's important to remember that binary trading outcomes are unpredictable. No strategy can guarantee a win every time. This strategy is designed to help identify potential setups. but results can vary depending on market conditions. Let's move forward and see how the next trade plays out. Stay tuned as we continue learning and improving together. I have chosen AI-based buy auto signals with a 5-minute expiry for this trade because the price is currently at the resistance level. Important tips for safe trading. Always test your strategy on a demo account before using real money. Practicing helps you gain confidence and improve your skills. Avoid taking too many trades in one day. Emotional decisions can lead to mistakes. Focus on quality setups instead. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Protect your capital. It's your most important resource. Write down the reasons for each trade, the results, and lessons learned. Reviewing your trades helps you improve over time. Trade smarter and always stay disciplined. Avoid common mistakes, stick to your plan, and keep learning. Binary options trading involves risks, so be sure to approach it with a clear strategy and patience. Now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. That's it for today, traders. Make sure to practice and master this strategy on a demo account before using it in real trading. Practicing first helps you build confidence and improve your skills. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies. Like this video to show your support. Share it with your fellow traders who might find it useful. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll continue creating more content to help you succeed in trading. Good luck on your trading journey. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy trading.